Hi, Adam here, and another new feature that we've added is under the Manage Search menu is the ability for you to control the type of search and the type of search options that will be available through your marketplace. This is our first version towards giving you Elasticsearch capabilities across your marketplace. But let's just take a look at what's available. If we look at the live site here that I've got, desk, experience, shoes, shirts and jackets, my test site has a number of options, services and products that can be searched. If I go back to the admin and I change that from radio to drop down and save that and then refresh, you'll notice that it's a drop down option for me to select. What if I would like some date pickers? Enable date pickers. The availability rules and relative or absolute will also check for the availability of the listings. If you don't have much inventory initially, it's probably not a good idea to turn this on just yet because you need at least some listings to appear for the person searching to see. If you do turn on availability rules, you can then say whether or not it's absolute or right on the accuracy, or relative. In other words, it will look for a date from and to, and even if an item isn't fully booked during that period, it will still display the listing. Let's just save that and take a look at the live site, refresh the page, and you'll see that now I've got a from and to date that is available for me to use as part of the search criteria. Let's go back and we'll turn off the date pickers. Enable taxonomy tree. Some of the wording here might be a little bit confusing. We'll be updating that, but this is an option, and I'm just going to save my change here. This is an option for those marketplaces that are using buy sell, and you can set up a taxonomy, in other words a category, a categorization. You can see color and size are two of my category options, and then I have my children, parents and children that are classifications or categories for that particular taxonomy. What this means for search, when we go back and manage search, if we turn on that feature, enable taxonomy tree, when we're searching for products, so let's look at jackets and I'll just search, you can see that I have color and size. Let's turn that off and save. Go back and refresh. You'll notice that the categorization option has disappeared. So we can turn that on and off at will and refresh. And it's now easy for me as a customer to be able to quickly click through to find what I'm looking for as well as my keywords. Now another thing that we can do is change the view as well. So let's go back. And for products, we can do a product list table layout or a little more fancy version. Save that and refresh the page. And you'll see that we have a little bit of a different layout. This again is something that is being set up right now so that down the track you'll have full control over the layouts as well and be able to pick and choose from those as we add to them. And that is how Search Admin works.